Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Volvo. Folks, this is a beautiful unit. D13, 425 horsepower, 8-speed manual, 66,000 GVW on the original truck with a lift axle, folks. It's a beautiful unit. Aluminum rims, excellent condition on the tires. Beautiful unit. Steel bed, 24-foot 6x102. Brand new buyer's toolbox. The unit has been turbo blasted, primed and repainted on the chassis. She's in beautiful shape. As I said, heavy lift axle, aluminum rims. We get to the rear tires. We have aluminum rims. Excellent shape on the tires. The rears are recaps. Spring ride suspension. Each axle is 23,000 GVW. As we get to the rear here, you can see the Universal Mounting Kit. We'll carry a Moffett, Princeton, and Loadmac, and many other brands. We rotate around here, you can see an 855 Loadmac 2024. Beautiful unit. Available for sale. This particular unit has a 10-foot mast, extended reach, 4-way model. Folks, awesome unit to have. We have them available with 12-foot mast. Beautiful thing is you can reach across your bed with this extended reach. Also go sideways and forward motion in this unit. This unit is loadable from the ground. Has rear controls, so you can load that onto the truck or trailer with the control box from the ground. As we come back to the truck, beautiful 2016 Volvo. Heavy truck, folks. 8-speed manual, 425 horsepower, 20,000 front GVW on the front tires. This unit has 270,000 miles on it. Diff locks on the rear axles, air conditioning, AM, FM, CD radio, lift box control down in between the seats. Beautiful unit. Does have a rubber minimizer mat inside. Excellent unit. Give us a call. This is Equipment Remarketing. 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. We have trucks, trailers, day cabs, forklifts available for sale. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.